Yeah, if you don't like me, that's your problem. When I let it bother me, that's my problem. And I got enough problems, I got enough. I got the sauce, you got the salt. What I care what you think about me, cause I don't think about you at all.
And action. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, like almost like 2 years I think since I last filmed a video. But today I'm just gonna do like a quick hair tutorial thing. So it's just gonna go from a house girl kind of vibe to like a bad bee kind of vibe, you know. So pretty much in lockdown I've not really been doing much but looking like a housewife. So I just want to do my hair and make myself look like in fact housewives even look good these days, so I say more like a house girl I look like. So I haven't tried today, you know, I haven't put on eyelashes. I'm just gonna do my hair and then I'm gonna probably even sweating, Jesus is Lord. Alright, I'm just gonna do my hair. Let me just not even talk much today. I just wanna do it and shut up. Yeah, I should have done this first. So much on my mind. I think too much. Read between these lines, the spoken weight of words. The time comes to rest when you're by my side. If life's and I will follow what this takes me. And my tomorrows want to be unknown. When all is said can be my safety. Uncertain, say you'll be my stone. Change in everywhere. The sense of time don't know what it is. Oh, nothing sure, but surely as we stand, I promise it will stay the same. And I'll never stay forever, but I know we'll remain. And I
really done. Wow.
Hey girl.
You did your hair so fast. Don't take it out. Are you already done with your thing? We want to go for a walk now. So. Are you going to dress like that? You've got hair.
Sure, but surely as we stand, I promise it will stay the same. And I'll never stay forever, but I know we'll remain. And I will follow what this takes me. And my tomorrow's left to be unknown. When all is shaken, be my safety. Say you'll be my stone. Be my stone. In a world uncertain, say you'll be my stone. Oh, stay be my source of gravity. While my world's unraveling, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
In a